Hello guys! This is me again, Roha Briner, ang inyong alindog. Lipstick lang, walang katapat. Okay guys, I'm gonna tell you. But before that guys, please subscribe, okay? Please subscribe. Ayan. And all you wanna see or wanna show me beautiful, all my sexy video, join my member and you will see all my hot spicy video. O, diba? Okay, guys. Let's start. Okay. Today I went in the city. Oh, but before, wait, guys. This flower is distracted me. Ayan. O, diba? This is beautiful. I think this is like a cactus. I don't know what. Oh, you see? It's beautiful, right? But guys, okay. Let's proceed where we're talking. So I went in the city. And then I went in the shopping mall and I see the store with the Tixmax. I think, did you know this Tixmax? Tixmax is famous the expensive product and the with name products in America, even here in Germany. But this product is gonna be like they reduce the price, like for example before it's 100, they're gonna give you only 50 euro, or the 80 euro they're gonna give you only the $30 30 euro, I mean, like that. So I went in the T-Max, guys. I show you what I bought. Ayan. So tara, look at this, guys. Did you see that, guys? This is from Tixmax. And I will show you what I bought. And you can Google this in you can Google this, what this product is, if how much this product. Ayan guys, let's show you. Ayan. Look at this, guys. I think you will love it also. Ayan. Tara! You see, guys? Beautiful. Ayan. So, ang kanyang brand name or the brand is a Desigual. Ayan, Desigual. Ayan guys, Desigual. And of course, ay meron siyang, ayan, the what do you call it? Plated na, I think this is a silver. So, and I show you guys inside how beautiful. Ayan. So, with zipper siya, guys. With zip. Ayan. And you will see here. You see in the inside. And the texture is, you know, kamosa siya, guys. Alam mo, ano ba yung kamosa? I don't know what is kamosa in English. Ayan. It's like a, para siyang ano, yung, I don't know, basta kamosa. And of course, the handle is a leather. Ayan, guys. 100% leather yan. Leather. O, diba? Ayan, I show you also inside. So, ayan guys. So, you will see inside it's original or not. Ayan, meron naka-sealed dyan. Kanyang name. And of course, o diba guys? Diba? Very beautiful. At, wait. You know guys, how much I bought this? How much I pay it? This is only 30 euro. Ayan. Guys, I show you 30 euro. I bought it. Ayan. Diba? So, ayan guys. Para pakita ko sa inyo, 30 euro I bought it. Pero, I'm very curious when I bought it. Ayan. I take it out. Ayan. So, you will see here guys. Ayan. Nandyan yung price niya na 30 euro. And the original price is, ayan, ang price niya is, there we go guys. I will show you. Euro, it's 95 cents. And, ayan, 9. And, of course, ayan, guys. Charan! Ayan, 70 euro. This product, guys, is really from here in Europe. This is made from Spain. Ayan, product siya ng Spain, guys. Ayan, ayan, leather yan, guys. This is leather. This is product from Spain. So, ayan, pakita ko sa inyo. For example, lagyan natin dito yung T-Max. O, diba, guys? Very maganda siya, very elegant. Kasi wala pang, I don't have yet like this kind of bag I have. Ayan, kamosa siya, kamosa. Ewan ko paano yung kamosa. Para siyang ano, yung, okay, yung balat ng baka, ganyan. Balat ng baka or balat ng, ng kalabaw or this, the leather for, skin for the cow. I don't know, like that. Ayan guys, di ba beautiful? So, ayan, I show you. Guys, o di ba beautiful? Di ba guys? Ayan. Leather. So, ayan guys. So, sa halagang 30 euro. So, 30 euro, it's only, I bought, yeah, I bought only 30 euro, but the real price is 79, or let's say 80 euro. So, 80 euro, it's like 50 euro, I saved 50 euro. So, di ba guys? Beautiful. Oh, ang ganda niya, di ba? Beauty, kagaya ko, beautiful. At ayan, yung zipper niya guys, very beautiful talaga, di ba? At leather, di ba? Paulit-ulit. So, ayan. Kita ko sa inyo ha, I will show you. Ayan yung zipper niya. Guys, ayan. At yung kanyang pinak-zipper is letter S. So, because desigual product. You can Google it guys, desigual. Tapos, makita nyo yung kanyang, or you will see this kind of bags. Di ba? Beautiful, guys. Pang araw-araw. For everyday, guys. Ayan. When I'm going to shopping or going to school, so I can use it. O, di ba? Pwede na siya mga kalindog. Right. So, ayan, guys. I hope did you enjoy my video for today. My design Kamosa bag leather. O, diba? Majority lang. So, ayan guys, thank you. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to smile. And guys, thank you for all your support. And to all my members, thank you guys. See you again until next video. But before that guys, I will show you now the weather here. Ayan guys, I show you. Dito tayo sa baba. Ayan, the terrace, I mean. Ayan. The weather is today's, ayan, it's very sad because it's no sun and very, what do you call that? It's, ano ba yung, what is, mabuloso. Mabuloso. I don't know guys. You know, my sprachen, or I speak very, all mixed because, so ayan, Neblig in Germany, ayan, Neblig. No Neblig, ayan, Mobuloso is ano ba yung, ano ba yun, nakalimutan ko na guys, ano siya, very, Mobuloso, ano ba yung Mobuloso, yung, kulimlim, ayan, that's it guys, the right term is kulimlim in the Philippines, kulimlim. So ayan guys, of course, ang aking, basilicum. So you see guys, so there we go. So, ayan guys, thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye!